Say hello. No? Okay, she looks grumpy because she is 90% of the time. Hey girls and guys, it is Zaira from ZaiLetsPlay, and today we're going to be doing something I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and that is a Barbie tutorial. So I saw a few YouTubers do this like earlier on in the year, maybe even last year, and with Halloween right around the corner, I thought it would be a perfect time to recreate one of Barbie's iconic Halloween makeup tutorials. I mean, and we all know who Barbie is. She is an icon, a legend. So this is the makeup tutorial we're gonna be trying to follow along. It is her deer makeup tutorial. Now, just a little warning, I am bad at makeup. I am bad at DIYs, but I love doing them and I am gonna try my best. So I'm gonna put my headphones in, we're gonna follow along, and we're just gonna see, we're just gonna see how this pans out. This is gonna be bad, I have a feeling. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna go ahead and skip her intro. Okay, let's see.
Here's how I'm gonna do my deer makeup. I like to start with a light foundation all over my face to even out the color.
I've done that. We're good.
Light foundation stick or makeup. I put triangles under my eyes and around the nose and on the forehead and above the eyes and on your
All right, I'm following along.
Blend it in.
Okay, stop. No, Barbie, hold on, slow your roll. I can't process these things that quickly. Okay, so we're basically gonna try to recreate that part right now. So she said use any like white makeup. Now I do have some white eyeshadow, but I personally don't think that it's gonna be pigmented enough. So I did buy some Halloween makeup and I have these two colors right here. So I'm thinking we'll try to use this white cream powder, or not powder, it's like grease makeup, I think it's called. I'm not even sure. And now the thing is, I don't know if I should apply it with a sponge like she said, or maybe like a little foundation brush. I'm thinking maybe use a foundation brush and put it like in the spots that she did, and then use my sponge to blend it. I literally think that's what she just said to do anyway. Literally, that's what she said. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so now we're gonna try to like dab this in. This isn't gonna work, is it? I should have just used. Okay, wait, we're getting somewhere. So there we go. I'm not very hopeful right now, but this is just the start. It kind of looks like I just used the wrong foundation.
I like to then put a shimmery white eye makeup on the lids like this. Then, a darker contour.
Okay, did she just skip a whole entire chapter in her book? Barbie, I don't look like that. You said to put it here. You don't have any there. She lied. She lied to me. And then how does hers go down like that? Okay, I'm getting a little angry at Barbie right now. We do have the little makeup thing came with these little pencil things. So I'm wondering if we could get that kind of like, this doesn't even want to write on my skin. Okay. So we're just gonna, it's like I'm digging in my eye right now. Okay, wait. Okay, that kind of works. So we're basically like highlighting that corner of our eye. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, that works. That works. Okay, good. Okay, so Barbie, let's go on to the next step. I'm hoping we could save this look, Barbie, because don't know where this came from. It looks nothing like that. Okay, so now she wants us to contour.
Contour your cheekbones.
Okay, I'm not following that picture anymore because she lied.
And a little bit under the lower lip. Then blend it in.
Okay, we got it. So she wants us to contour, we will contour. I'm going to be using this Glamour Dolls Bitten and Bronzed. So it is quite dark, but I thought we would need quite a dark, bronzer or contour palette thingy. So that's why I got this. I'm going to go back in with this brush. I'm guessing we have to get quite a bit. And I'm just going to contour around there. Okay, all right. That's working out well, I think. Okay. Ooh, yes. Okay, and then she said under the lip a little bit. I don't know why there, but okay, you know, whatever you want, Barbie, you tell me. I do it. And then she said on her forehead a little bit. So we're gonna put some around there. Oh my gosh, I think I put too much on my forehead. Barbie, you didn't tell me how to fix my life though, did you? It looks like I just grabbed some dirt and, you know, just rubbed it on my face. Okay, but that's okay. That's the look right now. That's the look we're going for. And you know what? The sides of her nose aren't as, like, you could see there. You could really define that. So maybe I should add some on the sides of my nose. Just because I'm trying to become a beauty guru. Okay, so I don't know what we're going to do about this. But here's my cat. She wanted to say hi to everyone. Say hello. No? Okay, she looks grumpy because she is 90% of the time. So next, she wants us to do this, right? Right here. You see it here. And that's fine. But if you could see under her eyes, she contoured under there. Again, she lied to us. There was no white makeup under her eyes. It was contour. So I'm going to have to remove this. And then I'm going to have to contour under my eyes. So just give me a second. So update, I got a makeup wipe. I removed all the stuff underneath my eye. And then I used it to kind of straighten out, make that little line like a lot more narrow and stuff. So that's what we did. You know, I think it looks a little bit better. So now, like I said, I'm going to grab this same foundation brush and try to contour underneath my eye, kind of like she has it. So let's go right underneath the eye. Kind of looks like I haven't slept when you do that. That was probably a bad idea. Okay. Not bad. I kind of feel like we've got to put a little bit more bronzer maybe. Just a little bit more. I mean, it doesn't hurt. This is such a mess. I mean, I knew it was going to be bad, but I didn't think it was going to be this bad. So now we're moving on to one of the steps I dread the most. And that is eyeliner. I personally hate eyeliner because I'm really bad at it. So I've got this Ico London eyeliner, you know, nothing special. It's just, you know, this. And we've got to try to do that little point that she has underneath. Now, I will try to do one on here, but to be honest, it's probably not going to go well. Like, this is why I don't do eyeliner in my day-to-day, because I can't. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so we've done something. So we kind of want it to go out from here. We want it to go down. Okay, it looks bad, but that's okay. Because that's why we had low expectations. I mean, okay, that's not horrible. Now I'm going to grab a pencil eyeliner instead because I feel like I could work with that easier. And we're going to put eyeliner on our waterline. Oh my gosh. This is so bad. I'm trying though. Okay. I'm not sure what that is. But I mean, okay, so now I'm going to try to do this. So we've done one eye. Now I need to do this on the other side. Oh my gosh. So there we go. To be honest, this is probably as good as it's gonna get. You know, this is it. This is all we get. So now I'm going to try to curl my eyelashes like she said. And we're going to put some mascara. Now, this is something else I'm not very good at. As you can tell now, when I said I was bad at makeup, I literally meant it. I am not good at makeup. I would hope that if I was doing this on someone else, I would actually be half decent. But I highly doubt that. You know what? Curling my eyelashes kind of helped a little bit. It did help out the look. So I'm going to use this mascara right here. And we're going to go ahead and just put that on. Oh my gosh, I got it on my eyelids. I do this all the time. Ooh, okay. We're saving the look. We're saving it. We're a little bit, not really. Maybe if you look at me from far away, like you won't be able to tell the mess that I made it. Yep, I can't even speak. Now, let's put some on the lower lashes. Try to save this look. There we go. Okay. All right, Barbie. Okay, good. We're done. No, we're not. We're not done yet. Why? Why is there more steps, Barbie? Let's see.
Voila.
So I've done this.
Eyes.
No,
now
it's
use
not.
A small brush and use a dark brown powder or eyeliner.
Okay.
Fill in your eyebrows.
Got that.
Don't be afraid to make them stand out.
All right.
Then take the brush and powder.
She wants us to go down
from the eyebrows
and then
along
fill
the
in the
top
nose
of the
part.
nose down to the
All
tip.
right, I could do that. You know what? She said she wants bold and beautiful eyebrows. I feel like that's the one thing that I could do. So we're gonna just start filling this in. I think this is in like almost kind of like a super dark brown. So we're gonna go ahead and fill those in. She said feel free to go crazy. So there we go. I feel like maybe once all of this is done, then maybe it'll start looking better. If you're still here for this journey, you're a real one. Okay, so here we go. Let's fill that in as well. Why is this eyebrow like not wanting to be my friend? Like ever? I don't know why. She's the rebellious one. Okay, let's not judge her. Okay, so there we go. That one I'm okay with. That is like a blob. What is that? What? They are not even. There we go. Okay, I could work with that. I can. So now we've got to do that little bit that goes down. So it goes right alongside. Oh! What did I do to my nose? Oh no, this is real bad. Okay, what is that on my nose? Excuse me. I think that was an eyebrow hair. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and bring, I guess, whatever line it is down from where, Barbie? Okay, so from like the corner of our brow. Okay. Ooh, okay. All right. And then she goes on to fill in the tip of the nose. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill in the tip of the nose. How come this side is coming out better? And this is the side you guys can't even really see. I'm kind of a little bit upset about that. There we go. Okay. I'm okay. I promise. Not really. I don't think I'm okay. I'm just trying to be strong right now. So let's go ahead and just brush that out a little bit. There we go. Just to make sure it's in there. There we go. Okay. Good. Now she wants us. Okay. So all of a sudden, look at this. Look at what she's doing.
And
all of a sudden, her bronzer is like all over this area. And it's really prominent. So I'm going to redo that. I'm going to redo that right now. And I'm going to put loads of it. I'm just going to put so much. Yes, like that. Okay. And then like hers goes up to almost like her temple. So she kind of lied. It literally takes over all of this side of her face. Like it almost goes down to just about her jawline. And then it comes in a little bit more as well. So let's go ahead. Yes. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So now we're going to do the same over on this side. So it goes up to the temple. There we go. And then it goes down And then I would get some almost on your cheeks. Okay. Okay. We're starting to get somewhere. And then once again, I'm just going to put some on my forehead. So we're just going to, there we go. Okay. Don't worry, we're going to blend this out. We're going to redo the white part with some powder as well. So we should be good. Okay. Stay strong. Okay. Stay hopeful. So she grabbed the back of a brush and then just started dotting around. So I do have my pencil right here, my little thing right here. So we could just try like dotting around. So let's see how that looks. I don't see no dot. I don't see no dot at all. Where is my, here we go. So we're just going to go ahead and we're literally just, look at how much I've got. So we're going to go, boop. Okay. That's a little, that's a bit big. That's a little bit too big for my liking. So let's go ahead and grab the pencil. Because I feel like the pencil had a good, size. So we're going to twirl that in there. And hopefully this works. So we're going to just doot. Oh, so cute. Here's the look. And let me go ahead and blend out that bottom bit a little bit because it's looking a little bit rough. And then I have some sticks too. I was really ready for this. You know what? It kind of doesn't look that bad. I mean, it's not the greatest. Like, you should probably not, do anything that I did, but I mean, it's a look. Yes. Okay. Okay, I don't hate it. Okay, so let me try to do a bun. So I'm trying to put these sticks in my hair right now, like Barbie did. And of course, it's not easy. Like, nothing has been easy about this. Let's just sit there and judge our decisions that we've made in life. So the antlers didn't work. By the way, I did have actual antlers, but my dog decided that they were a toy and she ripped them apart. So we're just gonna, how the heck do you put antlers? Okay, my sticks must be really bad. I mean, it is a single stick and two of these. Oh my gosh. So let me know. Oh, I forgot lipstick. She didn't really mention it, but her lips kind of looked a little bit pink. So I'm just going to use this NYX in the color Root Beer Float. It's kind of like a little bit of a pinky brown. So it's a little bit pink, not too pink. There we go. Oh, yes. And there we are. Let me know how you think I did. It was a journey. It was a struggle. We did have to make a lot of adjustments throughout. Literally, I'm looking at the recording time right now. It took me an hour to do this. An hour! Just sit there and think, I've been doing this for 1 hour. And this is what we got from an hour. So let me know in the comments down below how I did. This was a lot of fun to do, though. I will say that it was fun and I did enjoy it. So let me know in the comments down below if you liked it. What would you give this out of 10? Be honest, I could handle it, okay? Give me a score for what it looks like and then give me a score for effort. So like, maybe like a 10 out of 10 for effort because I really did try hard. And then like a 2 out of 10 for how it came out. But anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Let me know in the comments down below as well. What are you going to be for Halloween? I hope you guys had fun watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.